This here's Clint, and I'm half of the whiskey drinkers. Jim Bob can't be here right now. See, he got in a little problem, or he got in a little trouble down in Tennessee. All I want to say is it has to do with the, what do they call the Hollywood Car Museum thing? Well, turns out Jim Bob didn't realize that you couldn't take him for a test drive while they were still in the store. We got us another gun review today. That's right, motherfuckers.
Target's up in my sight, throwing some lead on down that pipe. Bullets fly, inhale the smoke. We shooting these guns, it ain't no joke. If you're looking for some gun information, well, you stopped at the right place. There ain't no need to look any further. The whiskey drinkers, we got your back, buddy. Whiskey drinkers, gun review. Pistols, whiskey drinkers, gun review. Rifle, whiskey drinkers, gun review. Shotgun, whiskey drinkers, gun review. Hey!
Anyways, long story. Let's get right to it here. We're back. We got the Ruger here. This is the PC Charger. My new favorite toy, I might add. And something I told you we were going to do before, we're going to finally get around to doing. The only issue is I've never done this before. So we're going to see how it goes. We're going to start out by taking some of this stuff off just to make it a little easier to move around. Oh, I tightened that down good. I tightened it down real good. Maybe I tightened that down too good. Take this off here. Just to make it a little bit lighter. Now what do we do, you might ask? Well, we're going to change out this right here. This is the, oh, that thing's loaded. Oh. No, just making sure. Double check. I knew this had stuff in it. Just checking. Just, yeah, it's whatever. Alright, so we're going to change out this here Magwell. And what that's going to do is go from this, I don't know if you can see it there, the Ruger magazine to, pull this thing out here. It's my Glock 19, this is my EDC, to the Glock 19, or I think pretty much any Glock 9mm, any Glock magazine, any 9mm magazine, I'm pretty sure. As it is now, it don't fit in there, it'll just take a little bit of pushing, but it ain't gonna work right. So we need to make this inside here fit this instead of this. Put those up there. Like I said, this is my Glock 19, my EDC. Got a Vortex Viper red dot on there, optic. Let's get into it here. First thing we gotta do is get parts out of the box. There's a cat hair on there. I don't even have a cat. In here some right there. That's the new Magwell. That's a lock. Don't need that. Some Allen wrenches. Probably gonna need those. I think that's for the slide, maybe. Who knows? Who cares? Got some Allen wrenches here. We're gonna need those for sure. I don't see any directions. It probably is. Yeah, there's a book in here. Alright, here's a book. Alright, gotta figure out how to get that out and this in. Like I said, never did this before. So, let's take a little look-see here. Reversible mag handle. Oh, yeah, the handle's reversible. I knew that. Magazine well removal and replacement, page 15. Oh, it's got nice big pictures in it. That's going to be helpful because we're going to need to be able to see. Alright. Well, I'll put these pictures up so you can see what I'm talking about here. It's warm in here, damn. Yeah. Get rid of this flannel real quick. It's warmer. Button, stupid button. I need to get a snaps. I need to get a snaps because it'll be a lot easier to get rid of stuff when it's warm. I'm getting fat, so that don't help. I'll lose me some weight. Alright, let's get rid of that. Alright. I'm on my belly holster here. I like this thing. And my K-bar here. K-bar neck knife. Alright. To remove the Magwell, step 1. With the firearm pointing in the safe direction, move the magazine and lock the bolt back. So we need to lock this back. There we go. Got that locked back. Visually make certain that there's not a cartridge in the chamber. I already did that safety first. Please place the safety in the on position. Safety on. To remove the barrel, well, we know how to remove the barrel. Just a little button right there. Just push it forward, pull it apart. Easy peasy. So get rid of that. Alright. Push the lock and lever forward and unlock the barrel handguard. Already did that. While holding the lock and lever in the forward position, rotate it. Yeah, we already did that. Okay. Number 4. Retract the charging handle fully forward or rearward and slowly release it until the bolt comes to the rest position in the front. Okay. We know that. We know how to do that. Alright. Use a 5/30 seconds hex wrench to loosen. Do not remove the forward takedown screw from the chassis. I think that's this one. And then the picture here shows this right here. So go ahead and break that loose. Alright, let's loosen it. It says do not remove, so we're not going to loosen it too much. A couple turns. Alright, it's running like crazy out. Alright, to remove the grip mount retaining screw. Removal of the grip mount retaining screw allows the grip mount and the grip to separate from the chassis. So that would be that one right there. So let's go ahead and break that one loose. And it does say to remove this one. Almost. There. Boom. Boom. Such as that. Alright. 7. Lift the receiver assembly upward and away from the chassis. You know what? Don't have that one loose enough yet. Oh, is that going to be stuck on there because of that? No, it shouldn't be. Oh, there's 2 screws there. Do I need to take both of them? Okay. Just a little stubborn, that's all. Alright, so there we go. Set that bad boy right there like that. Alright, now compress the magazine latch. In the picture here, that would be, what is the magazine latch? Oil seeping out of here. Where's, and I ain't got no rags. No rags anywhere. Alright. Where is that at? Oh, magazine. I'm a dummy. Looking at the wrong part. I'm a dummy. Alright. There's that. And that kind of comes right up out like that. And it just falls right out. Let me flip that around. That makes more sense for y'all. That doesn't come all the way out. Okay. So you just push the mag release. That comes right out like that. That's pretty simple. Remove the magazine well, which we just did. Alright. Now, to insert the Magwell, it says compress the mag latch. That would be this button on the side here. While inserting the magazine well into the chassis. Well, don't get much easier than that. Simple. Sit. Really, is this thing that easy? It is. My God, it is that easy. Alright, so now we gotta put this thing back together. Set that down in there. Snug. There we go. And we go put that screw back in there like that. Oh. Dummy again. Upside down. There we go. Put the handle back on. Tighten this screw back down like such. I can't believe how easy that was. Alright, let's give this a little tighteroo here. Nice and tight. Alright, tighten the front one. Get on there. One. Keep doing that. Keep flipping this thing over all backwards. Alright. Tighten that son of a bit down there. I hate these things. I can never get them in. There. Tighten down. Alright. Put the barrel back on. Like such. Oh, see? We have operation. And no parts left over. Except for this one, but we knew that was going to be left over. Is it really that simple? My God, it is. It's really that simple. With that being said, this should just like that. Push button, drops out. Cleared. Ruger, you have impressed me with this damn PC charger. I would have never guessed it was that easy to replace that Magwell. Now my EDC can go straight from here, out of here if I need to, into here, ready to go, or vice versa. If I run out in here, drop clip, new one in, good to go. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Alright, Ruger, you sold me. We'll see you next time. This here's Big Clip from the Whiskey Drinkers. Have a nice day.